In this video, we'll be unboxing and taking a first look at the new Chipolo ONE Point. Now first, what is the Chipolo ONE Point and what makes it interesting? The Chipolo ONE Point is a Bluetooth tracker that, like other Bluetooth trackers, you can attach to your things like your keys or luggage, and then use your phone to find where they are. Now what makes this one unique is it is one of the first trackers to support Google's new Find My Device network, which leverages the global network of Android devices to help you find your things. So even if your Bluetooth tracker is not near your phone, if it is near other Android phones, you'll be able to get an approximate location of where your tracker is. And if this network of phones model sounds familiar, yes, Google is not the first one to do this. This is the same idea as Apple's AirTags and Apple's Find My network. Let's go ahead and finish opening the package, and here is the Chipolo ONE Point box. Now let's go ahead and open this box as well. And we should now be able to remove the center tray from the cover. We're greeted with the instructions, which we'll refer to later. Let's now remove the inner tray to get to the Chipolo. And here is the Chipolo ONE Point. It's available only in this color called Off-White. You can see it is a thin plastic disc. Its size is a diameter of 1.5 inches. I'll put it next to a US quarter here for comparison. Now let's go ahead and try connecting it to my phone. Referring to the instructions on the package, have your device nearby and on, and press the Chipolo, which is also a button. And there we go, we have a pop-up on my phone to start the setup. I'll go ahead and press connect. And now we have the terms of using the device. After reviewing these terms, I'll press agree and continue. Now it's adding the Chipolo to Find My Device. Now it's added, and I can go ahead and open the Find Device app. It looks like I need to allow the app access to nearby devices. I'll go ahead and approve that. And here's a look at the Chipolo ONE Point in the Find Device app. At the top is an interactive map showing where the device is. Below is options to find the device, play a sound, or share the device with someone else. If we go into settings, we can see we can change the device's name, as well as its category, which can be set to various things like wallet or bike or headphones. And that's an unboxing and first look at the new Chipolo ONE Point. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be discussing the Chipolo in more depth in future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.